everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can see secret chats on your Wizz app. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For that matter, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead and access your Wizz app on your mobile phone. Once I've done so, you can find this kind of interface including the chat section called friends and requests. Now for you to get your secret chats access or see it, or if you're curious about it, go ahead, tap on your profile icon below right corner. And now in the section, even if you go to settings, you can scroll down all of the settings, but you cannot find that option. And because for that matter, you have to go to this option called shop, and in this section you can find boost. You can add it to your cart to buy the coins for you, super chat, bulk chat, admirers, you can see. And this Wizz gold section, you can see this is a subscription option. If you get Wizz gold, then you will find unlock this option called all secret chats revealed, unlimited rewinds, profile media slots, video in profile, 1 boost per week, super chats per week, 1 bug chat per week, hideouts. All of this, updates, all of this offers, this you will get once you subscribe, once you get this Wizz gold. So for you to access your all secret chats, you gotta go get this, you gotta purchase this. Once you have done so, you will be able to get your secret chats option. You can tap on it, see all the chats that you have received secretly, and that will be it. So this is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on our next video.